If your Yahoo Mail storage is getting full, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clean up space in Yahoo Mail quickly and safely. This is a simple process that helps you remove old messages, clear out unnecessary emails, and free up valuable storage so your inbox keeps running smoothly. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Let's get started. First, open Yahoo Mail and sign into your account if you're not already logged in. Once you're inside your inbox, take a moment to look through the emails you no longer need. The goal here is to remove messages that are taking up space but no longer serve a purpose. This could include old promotions, newsletters, receipts you've already saved, or messages with large attachments that you don't need anymore. Now start by clicking on an unwanted email that you want to delete. If you want to clean up space faster, you can select more than one message at a time, depending on how your inbox is organized. Look for emails that are cluttering your mailbox and choose the ones you're comfortable removing. This step is important because the more unnecessary emails you delete, the more space you can recover. After selecting the email, click on the delete button. This moves the message out of your inbox and into the deleted items folder. At this stage, the email is no longer in your main inbox, but it may still be taking up space until it is permanently removed. That's why the next steps are just as important as the first ones. Next, click on Deleted Items. This folder is where Yahoo Mail stores deleted messages before they are fully erased. Many people stop after deleting emails from the inbox, but if you want to actually free up space, you need to empty this folder too. Go into Deleted Items and review what's inside. If you're sure you no longer need those messages, you can permanently delete them. To finish the cleanup, click Delete again to permanently remove the emails and free up space in your Yahoo Mail account. Once you do this, the messages are fully removed from storage, which helps reduce mailbox usage and gives your account more room for new emails. This is the key step if your inbox has been full for a while and you want to get back some storage quickly. A good tip is to also check for old emails with large file attachments, since those often use up the most space. You can search for older messages, newsletters, and bulk emails, then clear them out in batches to make the process faster. The more regularly you do this, the easier it is to keep Yahoo Mail organized and avoid storage problems later. And that's it. You've now cleaned up space in Yahoo Mail by deleting unwanted emails and permanently clearing them from deleted items. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want more step-by-step tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.